Hello, Brandon. My name is Viviana. Welcome to this video. Today I want to share with you three things that you can do immediately to boost the traffic to your website. So let's get into this. First of all, I am looking at your website. So anything that you have on your website is considered content by Google, and it's anything text, images, or videos is considered content, and it's what Google uses to actually find you, and then rank you in their Google search. So just by having a look at this, there are a few things that you can do to improve your website. Basically, you can actually make it more easier to anyone navigating using a website, a mobile phone, sorry. You can add click to call buttons and contact us forms so that it's easier for anyone to reach out to you. You can also improve like the look and feel of the website just to make it a little bit more modern. And also just in terms of the amount of content, right now you have 131 words, and Google likes to see content because that's how it's able to determine what the website is about, and it's gonna give you or regard you as an authority for certain topics, and it's gonna give you some positions. So right now, if I look at one of your competitors, A1 Garage Door Service, this is the landing page for Phoenix. If I look at them, right now they have 2,544 words in content, and they are ranking #1 in the organic search. And this guy's Dynamic Door Service, they have 2,766 words, and they are ranking #2. So definitely an opportunity worth pursuing is just having a look at that content and throwing in more and more relevant content. And what I mean by that is that when I came to Google, I type in garage door repair Phoenix, which is a buyer intent keyword, which is what people type in when they want to buy a product or a service. And Google is going to show you three sections. So the first one is the Google Ads. And the Google Ads are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they are not done correctly. And also some people have the ability to just turn them off and skip them altogether. Now, the second section is the GMBs, or Google My Business Profile. They are driving 40% of the traffic. And to rank at the top, you need three things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, all of those. And the important thing is that those details on those directories need to match those of your GMB profile so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. So in the organic search, to rank at the top, you need a combination of both content and also backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And right now, it is showing me that you have 36 backlinks in 12 referring domains. So that is, there are 36 links in 12 external websites directing traffic to your website. Let's have a look at your competitors. So A1 Garage, they have 281 backlinks in 81 referring domains, and Dynamic Door Service, they have 6,880 backlinks in 1,670 referring domains. And the point here is that you want to have more and more powerful backlinks, because it's not only about quantity but also about the quality of those backlinks. So you want to have those backlinks in websites that are relevant to your niche, to the service and the areas that you serve, so that Google can verify this and can rank you at the top. Now let's have a look at the content, and to look at that, I look at the organic keywords. So you are being ranked for 28 keywords, and this dashboard here shows me those keywords, the search volume of those keywords. So this is the number of times this keyword was searched for in a month, and the position is showing me in which position you are appearing for that particular keyword. So anything beyond the 10th position means that you are already on the second page of Google, and very few people are actually visiting your website. So as you can see, you are here well, you lost this position, so you are no longer being ranked for this keyword. 45th position for King Door, third position for Spring King. But none of these, except this one, Garage Door Repair Chandler, Arizona, is a buyer intent keyword, and those are the ones that you actually want to target. Garage Door Service Phoenix, but you're in 91 position. Garage Door Springs Phoenix, you're in the 97th position. If I look at A1 Garage Door Service, they are being ranked for 220 keywords, And if I come here, look at this. uh, this garage door repair Phoenix, which is a buyer intent keyword, has a search volume of 700 searches per month, and they are ranking in position number 1. This is their brand, so Garage Door Installation Phoenix, search volume 100, they are number 1. Garage Door Phoenix 100, number 1. Garage Door Repair Phoenix Arizona 200, they are second position. So the point here is that you want to target more and more relevant keywords, buyer intent keywords, so that your website can be in front of more potential customers more often, because then a percentage of those users are going to click on that link and are going to get directed to your website. And then a percentage of those who clicked, are going to reach out to you. And then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land more and more customers. And what that means is that your revenue is going to increase because you're going to land more customers by increasing the traffic to your website, resulting in the growth of your business. So I really hope that you like what you saw in this video. If you like it, you can use it and implement it on your own, or if you just feel free to arrange a one-on-one consultation with me if you want to get more insights. My name is Viviana and my contact details are at the bottom of this email. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.